Hey guys, long time no see. That was a lie. I actually have seen you quite recently because I actually did do another haul quite recently. So I mean, like, if you want to see all the other clothes I bought, you can feel free to go watch that. We're filming another haul. Hey guys, what is up? Today we are doing another haul, but it's a back to school haul because, you know, school starts soon. I'm very sad about it. Therefore, retail therapy. I haven't even started school yet and I already started the retail therapy. That might not be great. Huge thank you to Princess Paulie for sponsoring this video. They're definitely making this back to school season a lot more exciting because now we can actually show our fits off. You know, we're going out somewhere. If you also want to check out some of the items that I got or the other items on Princess Paulie, you can use code Melanie20 for 20% off site-wide. Make sure to subscribe for some back to school style content and also check out my other socials because I post a lot of outfits and stuff on there and to stay updated with the whole move thing going on. You know, I need support. Also remember that Princess Paulie does free express shipping within the US on all orders over $50. They also offer shop pay and afterpay to all US customers. All of that being said, we're gonna hop straight into some of the Princess Paulie items because I have so many of them and I'm very excited. It's also very hot, so if I look glowy, it's actually sweat, but I'm still here filming a haul for you. Oh, let me show you what I'm wearing first. This is my cute little church outfit. It's actually all Princess Paulie. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a cute little skirt, cute little tank top. It's like high, not high neck, but like it's a cool cut. I really like this. I feel like it looks good because your necklaces like cover it. Yeah, okay. If you notice, I got some color, pretty impressive. I got a lot of short. It looks kind of summery because I am moving on campus, which is in Malibu, so it should be hotter than I'm used to here. So for starters, I got these fun shorts. I tried to get some color, some fun patterns in there. Statement pieces, like these awesome shorts. Look at the cool checker funky print. These are awesome. I also got these shorts, which I might chop a little bit because as much as I love the long short look, my legs are stubby as frick, so it just doesn't look the best on me, but they look like this. Two different shades of checkered print, which I think is pretty awesome. It's like subtle but still a statement kind of. I got some plain black shorts because believe it or not, I do not have any that like fit me great. So these are plain black cut off ones that you could wear with literally anything. Love that. And then I also got some like pants and stuff. I got these that are kind of like yoga looking, but they're like ribbed sweater material. So they look better than just yoga pants and they have like a nice waistband that kind of like snatches you in. Basically wearing yoga pants without them actually being yoga pants. You can't really tell here, but you'll see them on the try on. I got some white jeans. These are a must that I somehow didn't have also. They're probably gonna get stained pretty quickly, but we're just not gonna think about that right now. There's so many ways to style white jeans. And then along with the skirt that I'm wearing right now, I got two more fun little skirts. This one, I think I've really been into the ruffle thing or something like that, but like look at this one. I think it's so cute. It's kind of like grandma looking, like it could be tablecloth or something, but I could also wear it. Well, I mean, clearly I'm going to, so I would look cute with a dainty little like lacy matching top. And then this one is like a different route in all aspects. It's like a midi longer skirt and then it's funky looking like swirls and stuff, which I know this is like a trendy piece, but I think I will be wearing this for a while just because midi skirts are honestly pretty comfy. Even when it's hot out, it's flowy up in there. This is very soft material, brown, nice neutral. You can't go wrong. Now on to some like sets and stuff that I got there. Sets are honestly awesome. It's kind of like a 2-for-1 deal. You could wear them separate, you can wear them together. It's like pre-planned outfits that you don't even have to think about. I feel like you're doing a little saving there somehow. I feel like it works out. I got this little sweat set. I don't know my shades of blue. Is this royal blue? Cobalt blue? I don't know. But sweat set. I have a bunch of these. I wear them all the time. This one also comes with a matching little like bra top, which I think is very fun. It's just a nice little straight cut one because you could just match these together and go out. Throw on like a denim jacket, a flannel, a button up, literally anything. It makes you look a lot more put together when they're matching because if I just wear sweat shorts and a bra, people would be wondering. Well, maybe not. No one really cares. But in my head, people would be wondering if I'm okay. You guys would notice, of course. Then, going the other route, that was so chic. This is the whole, I have contrasting styles. I don't know who I am. Who cares? You can be a different person every day. This is my beachy crochet girl aesthetic. So there's this. So fun. I know what you're thinking. Melanie, you crochet now. Why don't you just make that? I can't, okay? Like, I love crocheting, but some things my brain doesn't understand how this works. It's insane. But look, the arms, flare, that's fun. They also come with matching shorts. These are see-through. I don't know how you're supposed to, maybe this is like a beach cover-up, which is convenient because I live by the beach. I will live by the beach. And then I got this one. This is very picnic vibe. This is also very green pajama vibe. I don't know what it is. Gingham, like green stuff literally gets me. I'll buy anything with this print. These are the pants. They could literally be pajama pants. They're super wide and flowy, which I'm here for. You see me wearing any type of pants in the sun when I'm in California, they're 100% gonna be long and flowy. And then the top is like a little bra thingy. It's like scrunchy in the back, and then it's all like ruffled and funky looking in the front. You'll see it better in the try on. I think this is adorable. Once again, adorable as a set, adorable separate. This would look great with like a tennis skirt. Anything looks good with a tennis skirt. I got this little slip dress. I feel like slip dresses can do you no wrong. They're just so comfy. It's silk and it's pretty and green and lacy also. You could slip this on, wear it by itself. You can dress it up with a fancier jacket. You could just wear it with a button up once again. You can wear stuff underneath it too if you want to be a little more modest. You can wear like a long sleeve or a short sleeve. Very fun. I would get this in every color, to be honest. Ooh, I got this set. I'm so excited for this. This is a little bit more business looky, but it's a fun color, so it's like fun business, fun school, you know? Purple kind of reminds me of Harry Styles. Yeah, you know, right? They're like business looking pants, super thick, good quality. I like business pants, but a lot of times they look too formal if they're just in like gray or black, so I think getting it in a fun color is nice, but it's not too out there because it's still like a lighter purple. And then it comes with this matching top. It's kind of like a bra one, so I could wear it with this, or I could wear like a, I don't know, this with like a blazer. Once again, this with a button up. Oh, getting me excited. Last dress. This is fun because it's floral. It's kind of like hippie looking, but then it's more neutral colors. It has the brown in there. It's also a weird like texture. It's kind of like meshy, which is pretty unique. I think it's fun. Also, random, not factoid, but like thought. I love it when it's printed because I feel like it really hides the food, baby. I thought this print was too fun to pass up. Once again, this would look great on top of a shirt or something, or like covered with a bigger shirt. I just think it's fun. Intermission from the clothes. I got one jewelry piece. Very cute. I could definitely wear this with my outfit right now. They're just like little dangly huggy earrings, and they have like heart beads that look kind of like jade. But I thought these would look really good layered with my 10 billion other hoops that I always wear, or by themselves, because it's like the middle of almost being like a statement piece, but they can also be pretty like simplistic. I know I'm not gonna get sick of these. I think green is in my faves forever. Okay, now onto the last section from my Princess Paulie items are all the tops. First starters, we have a plain black top, like a Henley. I think that's what they're called, right? It might not be very exciting, but you bet this is probably going to be the item in this haul that I wear the most. So simple. Something about Henleys are kind of like school-esque to me, kind of like high school vibe. I don't know, that didn't really make any sense, but at the same time, made a lot of sense in my brain. Stretchy, very comfy, I already know. I got this tank top, which is like almost a bra. It's like super cropped. Oops, it's also inside out. This is also the thing where it has cars on it, and I buy a lot of those with car graphics. I don't know why I'm attracted to it. I don't know a thing about cars. A thing. Don't even try to ask me. They look very cool on shirts. Gives it a nice little sporty look, right? I also really like graphic tank tops. I love graphic tees, but sometimes it's too hot. Right now, it's too hot. I couldn't be wearing a t-shirt. I would sweat through it. I'd have pit stains. So graphic tanks are where it's at. I got this one, which is a really fun print. Hey, it's also tangled, but look, it's kind of like disco, whatever, and it's also a fun shape. It's one of those like, here, I'll just, yeah, one of those almost like swimsuit. It's like halter, which I've been loving, and the material of this is honestly, it feels like a swimsuit. I could literally wear this like a swimsuit, but I think it's fun. Orange, I've been into warmer tones. It's very hippie-esque also, if you could tell. I think I've always liked florals. It's like a new trendy type of floral though, and I think it's very, very fun. Similar shape, I got this top and a different material. This one's a lot more light and it's like stretchy, whereas the other one was more of a like almost not wetsuit. What's it not? I still don't know my materials, guys. If you've been watching my hauls, I never know what anything is called. I don't know. You can tell it's like thinner, lighter. It like ties, whereas the other one, it just looks so weird right now. Like if I saw this, I'd probably think it was a headband. But nonetheless, both of them very cute. Wear both of them. Very fun. Oh, it looks like a scarf dance too. Fun story. I did a scarf dance at the talent show in like 2nd grade. Thought I was the coolest shiz ever. This tank top might not be too interesting, but you bet your buttons I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. It's just like lacy and plain and white. I know I'm gonna wear this so much, but you don't have to look at that. This one I'm also probably gonna wear so much. I really like shape of this. First off, I love burnt orange. That's actually gonna be the color theme for my dorm room, which you guys are gonna have to stick with me to see it. I like the back. I like backs like this, which you can't really tell here, but hopefully the try-on does a better job. I also like the front of this. I also like the color and the shape and everything about it, basically. I love this top. I also love this top. This is funny because I've gotten a lot of things from Princess Paulie, and I think I always look at this top. I always think, that top is so cute. I always add it to my cart, and then somehow it always gets cut from my cart, but not this time because I actually got it. That means I actually do really like it because I kept going back to it. It's kind of like a deep cut and like one of those like tie front ones, but then I think it would look really good with like a cute bralette underneath or something like that. Even in the winter, you could definitely wear this over like a turtleneck and I think it would still look cute. You guys know I love different necklines that very much like accentuate your jewelry because I'm a jewelry fanatic. Like I love jewelry, which you can't tell right now because I'm wearing like one necklace, but I do like jewelry a lot. I usually layer a lot of necklaces and this top would make it very, very easily. I also love this color. If you couldn't tell, I really like green. I think I've mentioned green like 4 times in this video. This video should just be titled green. So those are all the items from Princess Paulie. I'm gonna go into some other stuff because apparently that wasn't enough. First off, Target is just one of those things. They always get me. Like I'm never meaning to buy anything there, or I'm meaning to like get more coffee and then I end up buying clothes. But got this tank top. Always check their like lingerie section because they always have like really cute things that you can wear as actual clothes. So I got this one, lacy, lace up, very, very cute. Green, once again, can't stop me now. I also got a tennis skirt, not like the pleated one. I feel like these ones are a lot comfier. These are like actual athletic skirts that you could wear for, you know, playing tennis. I don't play tennis. Golf, I don't. But I wear it to walk my dog. That's a sport, right? These are so cool. They have like pockets on the shorts and the inside. They're just so practical. It has a huge zipper pocket on the side. It's just so comfy. I could literally do kicks in it. I could do cartwheels. All the things I do in a day. I loved it so much. I also, I also got it in black. Very fun. Love it. Love it very much. And then the last thing, I got these shorts. These are like my favorite sweat shorts. They're not like, I think they're really flattering and they're just super good quality and really comfy. They're not exactly like the straight cut longer sweat shorts that you look super like chic and you wear with the hoops and the low bun, if you know what I'm saying. But these are just comfy. I just wear them to sleep in, so you don't really know. Look at those. On to, Hair Tone and Supply. You guys have seen me wear them several times. I really like this new collection they got. First off, tote bag. It has the same print on everything. So tote, this is an interesting size tote. I don't have one like this surprisingly because I have so many totes. And then I have a matching hoodie. Oh my gosh, the high school colors. I didn't even realize. I kept saying this. I like how it's kind of the collegiate look. You know, it looks like school merch, but I can't buy more school merch unless it's my own school's merch, you know? Whereas I used to wear literally every college on this planet. You know, it's so easy to thrift it and whatever. Now I'm narrowed down to like getting college looking merch without repping other colleges. I don't know if that made any sense, but it came with matching sweats also. And it says serotonin on the butt, which I think is pretty funny. It would be funnier if I actually had a butt, but too many butts. Next, I got some stuff from Miss Olivia Rodrigo. I saw a lot of things about her merch not turning out great, but that wasn't a problem for me because my stuff actually looks pretty good. And I'm very grateful for that because if it wasn't good, I probably would have cried about it. So I got this shirt. I guess you can't really mess up a shirt that much, right? But it just says sociopath. Oh, did I stain stained this already. I haven't even worn it. Oh, just kidding. Got me nervous. Just a nice cream color, and then it has like pastel blue on it, and it's like a little smiley face. You guys know I literally have a tattoo. I love smiley faces. I don't know why. Just because I'm so smiley and stuff. Yeah, what can I say? And then I got these sweatpants, and they have a cool graphic on it, and they're kind of cream. These are actually super, super comfy. It kind of looks like a skater brand or something, honestly. And then it says Sour on the side. They're kind of like jogger sweats. They're pretty big. And the last part of this haul, I thrifted a couple of items. First off, I just got these. They're literally like soccer shorts. They're Adidas. Not super fun. I probably had these when I was in middle school or something, when I actually played sports. But now I think they'd kind of be cute to wear, similar to how you would wear the sweat shorts, you know? But it just makes you look a little more sporty. Then I got these. These were amazing find. I got them in Oregon, so there's also no tax. But I got them at like a... what's that place called? Buffalo Exchange, maybe? They're Calvin Klein. They fit me amazing. Light wash, denim shorts, cut off. They're like perfect. Maybe one of my favorite thrift lines. Not even gonna lie. Not even happen. Love them. I also got these shorts. These were from a Goodwill here though. And they look very like utility-ish. They kind of look like that little boy style, if this makes sense. It has like the funky pockets and it has this thing. I don't know what this thing's for, like a little strap, but I actually added an elastic in the back too. I also just like this patch. I added an elastic in the back because these are pretty big on me, but now they actually stay up and I'll just wear them with a belt. But I think they're pretty fun. And then I also got two tops. This one I cropped. I thought the color was fun. Once again, the burnt orange, and then the texture of it is pretty awesome. It's kind of like scrappy looking, if that makes sense, and it's kind of like wavy. I don't know. I really like it. I think it's fun. And then I got this one, which also has a sick print. This is really like soft mesh, and it looks like gardening threw up on a shirt, which is funny because I hate gardening. Well, I can't say that. I just suck at it. I like nature though, and this has nature on it. It has pretty green flowers, pretty green leaves, and it's really hard to show you the shape of it. It kind of looks like a, I don't even know if I wear it the right way now that I think about it. I was thinking I would like tie it so it almost looks like a little eye top or like bra or something. I just really like the print of it and it was a good deal. So, alright guys, that is it for my back to school haul. My second one, probably my last one. It really, no. My last one, because I need to chill. I literally need to chill. I have no clue how I'm gonna narrow down what I'm bringing to college, but you guys are gonna have to help me with that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I know you wanna leave, so come on baby, be with me so happily. That was so embarrassing. I don't know if I'm going to include that. This is hard. Oh, good I just